me to push you? Leave my house!
For the fact that Prince Obinna left me and other beautiful maidens and found favor on that roadside rice seller, he's no longer attractive to me.
I don't even know whether to go front or go back. The baby could help me.
I don't want to see you again.
Why then did she agree to marry my son when she knew she could not be trusted?
What has he not done for this family because of Chioma?
So let her go home, tell the parents what she's done, live with the guilt for the rest of her lives.
She's just acting all this or acted it on her own. I just don't know.
Where's that?